Ever find yourself replaying teeny moments in your head? Things you should have said, should have done, but did not? They seem small, but they keep whispering, you messed up, you are not enough. Here's the truth no one talks about. It's not the big failures that kill your confidence. It's the micro regrets, those tiny could haves that pile up until you don't even trust yourself anymore. But today, I'll show you how to stop them before they destroy your confidence. So, why do these tiny regrets feel so heavy, even when they don't really matter? Because micro regrets are like dripping water. One drop, harmless, but drip after drip, day after day, even stone cracks. That's what happens to your confidence. A missed reply, staying silent, hesitating too long. They stack up until your brain says, I am weak, I am invisible, I am not enough. But it's not the silence that breaks you, it's the regret you replay again and again. So, how do you escape that loop and rebuild confidence before it's gone? Here's the fix. Number 1. Catch it early. Notice when you are replaying the same tiny moment, call it out. Number 2. Flip the script. Replace I messed up with I am learning. Number 3. Take imperfect action. Confidence grows from movement, not waiting for perfection. And the last one, forgive fast. Small mistakes don't define you. Holding on to them does. Confidence is not built overnight. It's built every time you let go of a micro regret and choose to act anyway. So here's the challenge. The next time that little voice says you should have, shut it down, take a step forward and prove it wrong. Because the small moments you release today become the confidence you carry tomorrow.